Hello, I'm Suzanne McDonald from Boatshed Medway, and today I am looking at this Pippin 20. She's British built, constructed in 1999. I have already provided an interior video. Now we're going to look around the outside. As we go outside, I will just be doing a silent walk around as there's a guy that just won't stop grinding next door. But it is that time of year, so let's have a look. Note that this vessel comes with a double axle trailer as well, and you'll be able to have a look at those on the still photographs. If you do have a boat to sell, please do let us know, as we're very short of them at the moment, boats of all descriptions. But if not, hopefully come and see this one. Thank you for watching.